What? Get him! Bring it on!
What is that? Stupid crows. I was having my good dreams. Hey, Didi, what's going on?
Shit!
Huh? Hey, Didi, you don't need to be so rude. I only asked you what's going on.
No! Shit! Shit on my head!
What?
That stupid crow on the tree outside. I was walking under a tree on my way back from market and shit on my head.
How daring, huh? No respect. I feel so. Okay, Didi, I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
Out.
You're going to chase the birds away?
No. Actually, I'm going to buy 40. Give me some good luck. One leg already.
Tok Kong!
Rock the beat!
I'm a neighborhood cop. I like rules. My name is Sergeant Dola and I'm cool.
I was a gangster, they call me Tok Kong. I love loudspeakers and Hokkien song.
I love to knit and cook, yes I do. Someday my kids will be super cops too, yeah.
My neighbor thinks I'm always wrong. But I will show him who is more Tok Kong.
Say what? Trying to get along. No doubt. Fighting all day long. Come again.
Let's go, G.O. go!
Hey, watch out!
What?
You see those family of crows? My mama got bombed by them this morning.
How do you know if it's the same one?
She said it was a family of 4. And there's 4 up there.
Just like our family. There's Pa, Ma. Oh, the ugly one must be you, girl.
Hey, look. They're staring back at us. Like, they're not scared at all.
Yeah, we'll see how brave they are after they get a taste of this.
Hey, don't do that. Haven't you heard of nature conservation? You know, we could be like those filmmakers in National Geographic, living in the wild and studying animal behaviors.
Right, Mr. National Geographic. Why don't you get your camera and film that? We can study what they ate for lunch. Come on, let's go.
Go, let's go.
I hate you! I hate you! Stupid bird, go away! I hate you!
Ma, are you alright?
I'm fine. It's those crows.
What did they do now?
Look at that!
Did they do that?
Yeah, I cooked all the food and put them on the table. I forgot to cover them and I went to bed. When I came out, you see, my food.
Aiya, Didi, why are you wasting good food, huh? Lily, I know your food is not always the best, but we must think of those are not so lucky to have food on the table, huh? Hey, Didi, your food today is really good. You use a special sauce, right?
Yeah, it's called the essence of crow.
The crows were in here just now.
Pecking at the food.
We tried to tell you.
Stupid bird! Go away!
Tok Kong, you have to ask those men with the rifles to come and kill the birds.
Ma, how could you?
Yeah, Ma. Maybe they're really hungry. What if we were in their shoes? Imagine if we all fly into a giant crow's nest and take their food, and then they come and shoot us.
Huh?
Tok Kong, do something.
Why me?
Don't tell me you're afraid of them.
Of these birds? Go away! There's so many. It's so black. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Do you hear that?
What?
That. T-H-A-T. That.
W-H-A-T? What? What? Oh, you're joining a karaoke competition.
You're a policeman, right?
Yeah.
Can you do something about the birds?
Like what?
Arrest them, stupid!
For what crime?
Noise pollution.
Tok Kong, in case you haven't realized, after so many years living side by side, I'm a policeman and I don't arrest birds. You come back when there's a real crime to report, like assault or theft or
Wait! Wait, you... I'm going to get you.
Tok Kong, where you going?
To war.
Huh?
good. No one's home.
What?
Do you hear that?
What?
Huh?
What? I don't hear anything.
Exactly. Do you know why? Because the crows are gone. I destroyed their nest.
Really? But I thought you were afraid of them. Did they attack you?
Oh, there were many of them. But I used my special Tok Kong drunken prawn in the scallop shadow.
And?
And I never seen birds fly away so fast. Don't worry, they won't be coming back, huh? Lily!
What happened? We attacked? By a robber? By a rival gang? Then who?
4 little birds. So scary.
Let's go, G.O. go! Let's go, G.O. go!
I was walking back from the market with my favorite carrot cake with sambal chili. I kept having this feeling. Someone is watching me. Luckily, the lift arrived at our floor before they have a chance to rip off my pants. Because when I went down this morning, I forgot to wear my underwear.
So your father destroyed the nest?
Yeah, I was so sad when I found out.
Why?
Where are those poor little things going to stay? What if it rains? Then their feathers will get all wet. How will they fly? What?
Something's staring at you.
Is it Tommy from my class? Oh my goodness! I told him to see me with another guy. So go! Go! Just go! Go! Go, 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 go.
Wait! Stupid bird! Please. Stupid bird!
This is really bad.
What? You mean the bird's coming after us, Pa?
No! This is my favorite t-shirt. You see, this is really bad.
Tok Kong, you have to focus. Can't you see? They are strategizing, planning their attacks. They are coming after us one by one.
Please, Didi, they are only birds. They are not that smart, okay?
Then how do you explain this? They waited for you to come back from the market and then attacked you when you were most vulnerable. Yeah. And they knew when Ma was hanging out the clothes. And how did they know where Xiaoyun's school was unless they followed her?
Yeah, we are all their victims.
Except you!
You are next!
No! Pa, please, you have to help me. Please, I don't want to die.
Okay. Don't worry. Pa will help you. It's just a bird.
Let me get this right. You want police protection for your son
That's right.
from birds.
Yes. You said come back when you have an assault to report. And what do you call this, huh? Huh? You laugh.
Yes. Oh, no. Do you know how ridiculous this sounds? Tok Kong, Singapore's #1 gangster, defeated by a family of crows. Huh?
Please, Sergeant Dola, you have to help us. My father's useless at this. He's even scared of birds.
Hey! All right. I'll show you how a real man conquers nature.
Thank goodness you are home. They're inside. I kept hearing them. They're talking to each other.
I thought there were only 4 of them.
Now there are more. Can't you hear them? They're gathering inside the kitchen.
My food!
Lady. It's too late.
Look at all of you cowering like a bunch of rats.
Sergeant Dola, if you are so brave, then why don't you go in?
I am. I'm just warming up the Dola stair. Stay here. I'll be back. Police! Don't move!
Maybe Dollah and managed to scare them away.
So, what happened to your Dollah stack, huh?
I think I might have scared some of them,
Right.
but I need backup. HQ, this is Sergeant Dola requesting for backup. Sergeant Dola requesting for backup, over.
Please state nature of emergency, over.
I'm under siege, over.
How many men are there? Over.
None. Over.
Please confirm. You mean you are not fighting anyone? Over.
No. Actually, I'm under siege from a flock of crows. Over.
Are you trying to waste our time, Sergeant Dola? How many times have we told you not to play with the walkie-talkie? If there's a real emergency next time, who's going to believe you? Over and out!
Okay, now how?
Run! Come on! The phone. We can call the Ministry of Environment and ask them to send some people here now. By the way, do you have their phone number?
Excuse me? Do you know how ridiculous all this sounds? Huh? Sergeant Dola, Singapore #1 neighborhood police post officer, bitten by a flock of crows.
So I was wrong. So what are we going to do,
You ask me, I ask who? This is all your fault!
My fault! It's your fault you brought me here!
But you didn't believe me!
You didn't explain to me properly! Take cover! The crows are armed!
What's happening, huh?
Stay here. I'm going to check this out. Stay cover! Don't stand there!
Maybe I should go?
Hopeless.
They are gone!
What?
The crows are gone. They sent someone to shoot them.
Maybe somebody called about the noise.
Yeah.
They're gone!
Well, it seems like everything is taken care of. I'll be on my way. Take care, you guys. What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Fighting all day long. Let's go, G.O. go!
Hey, everybody! I won!
What's going on?
Yeah, Pa, what did you win?
You see this ticket? I bought it when the crows did their business on your mother's head. I knew it will bring good luck.
So what prize did you win? First prize? Second? Third?
Consolation prize only. But still, I won.
Yeah, Pa, if not for the crows, you wouldn't have bought this ticket and won something.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Maybe you should give them back something.
Perhaps one day, man and nature will learn to live together side by side in the volatile urban landscape that is our independent nation.
Can you speak proper English? Yeah, nation. What do you expect me to do?
Goodbye, little ones. We hardly knew you.
Have a safe flight to that big nest in the sky.
Hey, don't anyhow shit on Angel's head, okay? What you all want me to say? Come on, let's go.
Rock the beat! I'm a neighborhood cop. I like rules. My name is Sergeant Dollah and I'm cool.
I was a gangster, they call me Tok Kong. I love loudspeakers and Hokkien song.
I love to knit and cook, yes I do. Someday my kids will be super cops too, yeah!
My neighbor thinks I'm always wrong. But I will show him who is more Tok Kong.
Say what? Try to get along. No doubt. Fighting all day long.
is wrong.
But I will show him who is more Tok Kong.
Say what? Trying to get along. No doubt. Fighting all day long. Come again. Trying to get along. No doubt. Fighting all day long.
A Mediacorp Studios production for Channel 5.